This is a installation video for the YMD2 key fob for this style of remote, used on the 200 series Land Cruiser and a bunch of other models. Some models have an extra button there for a trunk release or a remote start, something like that. But if the button shape is this general shape, then this should work. I'll be coming out with additional versions that'll have those extra buttons, but for right now we're going to show you this version. So first thing we're going to do, take our existing key, remove the key, and then there's a slot right there. We're going to insert that twist, and our remote pops open. Now I've got a few components we'll reuse. So we've got a circuit board, and we've got our buttons and a gasket. So there's our old case there. Now we'll open up the YMD kit. So we've got our plastic shell, obviously, titanium piece, hardware, and then a business card there. So let's open these up. Never mind my neighborhood traffic. Alright. With our hardware, we've got 4 nuts. We only need 3. There's one extra because they're small and they're easy to lose. And we've got 2 sets of screws, one in black, one in silver. The silver is stainless steel, the black is a black oxide alloy steel. To assemble, we're going to start with the back. Take the circuit board, place it in there, gasket, and set this gasket right on top, and it'll settle. Just make sure that it's not catching on the circuit board. And that'll center everything. Take our buttons and place them in the approximate location. Doesn't need to be perfect, but you do want to get it close. Grab our panic button. Okay, now we're ready for the titanium piece. So start with this corner up here. Okay, I got that. Now at this corner, we're going to flex it in, and it's going to catch, just real softly. It's going to catch on the plastic. That'll hold it in place while we install the rest. Now we're going to take our top piece and just loosely kind of shuffle this around until everything falls into place. And you can kind of see if your buttons are a little off, just rearrange them as needed until it all falls together just perfect. There we go. Okay, so now we've got it assembled minus the fasteners, so let's hit this one first on this back corner. This will help hold the titanium in place. And just use a finger to keep that in place. I'm going to use the silver screws because they tend to be easier to see on camera. And we're not going to tighten anything now, we're just going to get this started. Oh, and it would help if I went into the right screw. So just get that started. Okay, 2 out of the 3, and finally our last one here. Get that pushed down in place. You can use the Allen key to make sure it's flat. And then as you install the screw, it should help pull it nice and flat. Alright. Now none of them are tightened. The case moves around a little bit. It's got a little bit of play. And that's just the way we want it. Take your key, install the key, and enjoy that real satisfying click. Nice spring action on the titanium piece there. And now what you want to do is push with that key, because that'll help even out these pieces. So support it up on the top, push on the bottom, and now you can go around and start tightening each screw. And that's about it. You can go around and tighten them a little bit more if you'd like. And it's a good idea to keep this wrench in your glove box and just make sure these are still tight periodically. But there you go, you're done. To release the key, you've got to put real deliberate pressure right there with your fingernail. That's intentional. You don't want the key coming out on accident, so it's got to be real purposeful there. But that's it. If you have any questions or comments, send me an email, admin@yodamd.com. Otherwise, enjoy your new key.